Ashok ji, respond to that. Number one, दोन मुद्दे आहेत. First issue is it is turning out to be a political battle because it is turning out to be 28 MPs versus 2 MPs. So Goa is at a natural disadvantage in terms of politics. Number two, the issues raised by Nirmala Tai, that Karnataka has options, and yet Goa is made to suffer. A huge infrastructure is being built, and nobody knows finally how much water will be diverted. That's the fear. In spite of the tribunal's order, the fear is unless there is an authority, and the authority that is monitoring the diversion of day-to-day basis, there is no guarantee how much water will be diverted. How do you respond to both these concerns?
One thing I tell you, the Panchal Tribunal allotted 1.72 TMC for Kalsa, 2.18 for Banduri. We have sought 7.56 TMC for drinking water purpose. It is going on since 2010 when Panchal Tribunal appointed by the union government in 2010. Actually, work started in 2013. Continuously, there was a hearing in 2018, January, February, After going through all the issues raised by the Goa, whatever they have allotted our share, it has been challenged in the Supreme Court. After September 2018, September, October, November, December, January पर्यंत सुप्रीम कोर्ट मध्ये सगळा इश्यू चर्चा झालेले आहे. फायनली नंतर काय केले, फेब्रुवारी 20 ला सुप्रीम कोर्ट गेजेट पब्लिकेशन साठी ग्रीन सिग्नल दिलेला आहे. व्हॉटेवर आता ते मॅडम सांगितलं बेन्नी हल्ला म्हणून हुबळी जवळ आहे, ऑप्शन आहे म्हणून जरा ते कोंकणी कळलं मला. ते बेन्नी हल्लाचा परिस्थिती तुम्हाला माहित नाही. लास्ट टाइम ऑल्सो आय हॅव openly welcomed environment of the Goa. Benny Halla water is not potable. It is not drinkable. So many times scientists tested that Benny Halla water, it is not potable. If it was possible, Mhadei issue would have become the different twist. So I can once again I tell you, Benny Halla water is not potable for first thing. And since 2010, when आता अपॉइंटमेंट झालंय कुठलं पंचाल ट्रिब्युनल, every issue raised by the Goa addressed by the Panchal Tribunal as well as Supreme Court. Again and again, after judgment of the Supreme Court, how the Goa is raising all the issues once again. After all, 29 kilometer कर्नाटक मध्ये महादाई रिव्हर येत आहे.
Ashok ji, nobody is disputing that. माझा प्रश्न खूप साधा आहे. The infrastructure that Karnataka has built, it is certainly not for 2, 3 or 4 TMCs. It's a huge infrastructure. अशा परिस्थितीमध्ये जो निर्णय दिलाय त्याचा पूर्णपणे आदर होणार, and only that quantity of water is taken through this infrastructure. याची शाश्वती काय? What is the guarantee? That is the concern. Without a water
I know
authority,
already
what is the guarantee of that?
No. Already Goa demanded river authority of Mhadei River Authority to supervise the water sharing or water diverting. Already demanded. One thing I tell you, even Panchal award मध्ये हे प्रस्ताव आहे. आता like Kaveri Water Management Authority, like Mhadei Water Authority will be appointed one or other day, definitely. But Supreme Court has given final sharing is not yet been happened. We have got only 3.9 TMC. Goa has got 24 TMC. Maharashtra has 1.33 TMC. We have all the 3 states appealed before Supreme Court for seeking more water. Total, according to CWC, there is 188 TMC water in Mhadei. But altogether, how much share allotted? Only 45. I think 24 plus 13, 37, hardly 40 to 45 TMC allotted so far. All 3 states have appealed before Supreme Court seeking more water. आम्हाला जास्त पाणी पाहिजे म्हणून.
अशोक जी, आय कम बॅक टू यू. निर्मला ताई, त्यांचे 2 मुद्दे आहेत. पहिला मुद्दा असा की बेनी हल्लाचे उदक ते म्हणतात की इज नॉट पोर्टेबल. नंबर 2, की जेन्ना ट्रायब्युनलान हें केला, ऑर्डर दिल्या, ताजेर सुप्रीम कोर्टाची गॅझेट नोटिफिकेशना खातीर ऑर्डर आयली, अशें आसतना गोंय परत परत तेच मुद्दे कित्याक काडटा हो तांचो आर्ग्युमेंट.
तांचं ते सांगता कितें, आपण म्हणाला की it's not good, it's not viable for the
Drinking.
as a drinking purpose. Then why do this one section says, as per this para says, as per para 4.7, that it is acceptance is given to irrigation multi-purpose projects. It should be only for drinking
purpose.
water.
Yeah.
So under the guise of drinking water, you are snatching the water of river Mhadei. Goa has only one river, whereas 40% of the population live on this water. And you are taking that water? This is not fair.
Whatever
There
share
should be
water-
there should be a natural justice. We want water because the water comes this way. If you are diverting the water, this is against the nature. You are against the principles of science, that you are diverting the water. What will happen is 258 hectares of the land will be inundated with the water. As a result, the flora and fauna will get disturbed. There will be no trees, and if there are no trees, there will be no water. It's like a hen laying the golden eggs. No eggs will be given to either to Karnataka or to Goa.